What is Device Manager? Device Manager is considered a control panel applet in Microsoft Windows operating system. With this, you can make changes to hardware that is inputted into the computer. Device Manager can be used to update drivers, which can help ensure your computer runs smoothly and properly. Today's video will be going over how you can access your Device Manager with or without a mouse, and we will also be going over how you can use it to update and install drivers. Part 1. 2 ways to access Device Manager with a mouse. Option A. You can start by typing Device Manager in your taskbar search box in the bottom left of your screen. Click Open. Option B. Right-click the Windows logo next to the taskbar search box on the bottom left of your screen and select Device Manager, which will be the 5th option down. Now that you have opened the Device Manager, you should be at this window, which is the Device Manager. The Device Manager will display all hardware attached to your computer. In today's video, we'll be clicking on Display Adapters, which displays your GPU. Click on the arrow next to Displays Adapter or double-click Display Adapter. Your GPU will be shown. After that, you right-click on your GPU and you will see the options to update, disable, uninstall, scan, and properties. To update your driver, you can click Update Driver and then follow the prompts, or you may right-click on Properties and select Driver tab and select Update Driver. You will also see the option to disable and uninstall. I highly recommend not doing this unless you're instructed by a professional or some form of tech support. This is specifically for your GPU or your CPU. On a side note, for AMD and NVIDIA GPUs, you will have to go to their respective websites to download their drivers. NVIDIA has GeForce Experience and AMD has Radeon software. Now we will go over uninstalling a driver. You can reopen your Device Manager if you closed it. We will use a keyboard driver as example. Start by clicking on the arrow next to the keyboard or double-click on keyboard. You may have a different number listed than what is shown on screen. Simply right-click on one of the keyboards listed and click Uninstall Device. Restarting your computer will re-download the manufactured drivers that come with your keyboard. Part 2. Device Manager without a mouse. This can be especially helpful if you have an integrated mousepad with a laptop that has stopped working. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring you to the taskbar search box. You can start by typing Device Manager, and once you see it, click Enter. If you need to navigate to get to Device Manager if it's not fully typed in, you may use your arrow keys on the keyboard or the Tab key. Now, once the Device Manager is open, you will have to hit Tab on your keyboard to be able to navigate your Device Manager. I'll say that again. To be able to navigate your Device Manager, you will have to hit Tab, and then you can use the arrows to go up and down from there. After that, you may go up and down with your keyboard arrows. The blue shade will display over what item you currently are on. You may hit Enter on the desired item. Here we have selected mice. You will then hit the right arrow on your keyboard and then hit Enter. This will bring you to the specific item you are choosing. If you are having issues with the mouse, it will display here whether or not your device is working properly or not. All in all, guys, thank you so much for watching. In today's videos, we covered multiple ways to open your Device Manager with or without a mouse, and then we also covered how you can update and or install your drivers. And again, if you do have an AMD or a NVIDIA graphics card, you will have to go to their respective websites to install the drivers for those respective graphics cards. Using your Device Manager can be extremely important, and it will also tell you if devices are working properly or not. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one.